It's recording.
Oh, I'd have to stand up.
Oh, Vinci, old man.
Go on, Jeremy. I want to see fucking something decent if we're going to do this.
Get killed.
I want to see Arnie go through the blades if you're doing it. Where are you standing?
I'll move forward a minute. It's too lazy.
Is it recording? You're going to have to edit all this shit. Yeah. I don't think you're even going to see Arnie.
Do I give it a flip with an engine?
Yeah, but go out there a bit further.
It'll fall out though, it's going to fuck everything up.
No, flip backwards it won't.
It will. There's nothing holding him in.
Go on, just, I don't know, it's your fucking helicopter.
Ready?
Yeah. Go on, I can do it.
Right.
It's your...
Ready?
It's your helicopter, not mine.
Oh!